Come, bless. 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 But I know people from Viga, they're gonna follow me here. I have a complaint. People from Viga. I spoke with someone, she's a teacher, like a head teacher, and they say we have a school supplies for the student. She says she's not available. She doesn't recognize me. What's his name again? Costa?
Yeah, Costa.
Oh. How did you like him?
He's a good man. He's a good man. He's funny. And
You know see the meaning? It is Costa Clever.
so it's you. Oh my goodness. 3 years, everything will be okay again.
If not typhoon again. So this kid here, I can't wait. Let's have a picture. Let's have a picture. Yeah, picture. Here. Let's have a picture. So this is the guy who is getting blind. We're trying to see if he can go to see a specialist at least, but can you imagine if people like this, they're trying to tell you, wait, they're gonna cook for you. This is me here in Bicol region, and actually I just arrived from Tabaco to San Andres. For those of you who don't know, this island of Catanduanes had a heavy typhoon called One that hit the entire island. So I'm coming here to visit some people who were impacted by the typhoon. The trip that I'm doing is not easy because it coincides with another typhoon that didn't make the actual landfall in Catanduanes. So this river here is before you enter Virac and coming from San Andres that way, and all in Catanduanes, and it's raining. So I'm still going. I'm riding this guy here. That's why I have all my bag there, and I'm gonna go to the school first. It's a school that I'll need to take a car to go there. It's gonna take like 1 hour. Then I will go to another. And now it's 10 a.m. They say that's going down now because it's more than that. So here in Catanduanes. Look at this here. An easy way to get all those boxes up, and they were passing them through the stove, another level there. Look, just look. Wow. Some people knows what to do.
Muna, kumusta ang food nito? Kung gano'n ng ano?
Alam mo sir, ang karming ulam niyan, sugok, sardinas. Diyan ka na sa sentro sir.
Digde.
Dito po, sentro. Ano na kamag-anak niyan, sa dulo.
So I'm here at the school. I'm gonna take time to talk with the kids, have fun with them, and also help a little. And after this, I'm gonna go to a place to visit one orphan that I was told who is here. She is a lady, a young girl who I wanna meet and talk with her to hear her story and also help a little. So it is so beautiful. And the kids where they started, they go to school. It's like a one classroom here. There's another classroom there. And also this is another classroom. I know they live in a very remote area. This is their playground here. That guy there, his birthday is today, and he's the one who was organizing all these things. So his name is Papa Dan. And I met him before, very incredible guy. Sir, we want to invite you here Those kids are gonna say something for you. You wanna come closer yourself, please? So that's the guy there. Very wonderful guy. He deserves this. Wow, that's it.
Hamak mo yan. Nakaabot mo yan sa Batoy Apple birthday. Thank you so much. Hamak mo yan. Nakaabot-abot nito yan yung birthday ko. Diyos ko. Okay, Cos, thank you so much for this.
Oh, for those kids. And her.
Actually, I am not celebrating my birthday mostly. And maybe mama, schedule na lang kita, mapais na kakontrol. Okay, let's schedule ta na lang, mapais na kako siguro din pansit o whatsoever na pwede.
I like this guy.
Thank you so much.
I like that guy.
Happy birthday.
So this kid here, I can't wait. Let's have a picture. Let's have a picture. Yeah, picture. Here. Let's have a picture. Let's have a picture. Picture. I love just kids. Yeah, look at that. What's amazing people.
Instant birthday, ah.
Yeah, that's
Thank
really
you
good.
so
What's
much.
amazing? This is the man. Obviously, this area has been flooded. There is a river right down here, and I heard that what's happened that the river went up during the typhoon one, and the river is across there. So I heard the water came all the way here. You can imagine the population here who are living here around here. There are people who try to live in a way that I would say self-manage on a daily basis, and it's really important to know that some of them lives in a very severe poverty, like those one here. But in any way, I heard that there is an orphans family that are planning to go to see and just to share kindness with them. They live right around here. So I think it will be a good moment to go and harvest some blessing. Beside that, who gives receives more than who receives. Keep being kind, keep being faithful to whatever you do, be grateful and try to help those in need. But otherwise, the place was flooded during Typhoon 1. This is where the orphans live. So we're gonna enter here and have a little moment because I'm rushing, but I have some few stuff and probably give some little money and they can know what to do. I was planning to buy some grocery, but the time is rushing. So the orphan we just visit, she's sick. So she fell down and it looks like she can't talk well. And we're asking if we can take her to the hospital. She was wondering who is gonna take her because our time is rushing, we need to take a ferry, but we're gonna do a sacrifice and make sure that she goes to the hospital to get, assist. She fell yesterday and it looks like she's sick. The body is suffering. And we asked the neighbors if they can accompany her. All of them, no. They didn't want to go. They say actually she has a relative like at the other side, and this could be taken as an emergency. So I feel so sad about that. I'm not feeling really comfortable, but we'll see. The guy who lives there is experiencing vision impairment and probably is cataract, but I don't know, he can't see, and he's the one who's working for the family. He lives with his wife. But we're gonna go inside and we're trying to convince them to go to the hospital, and I'm pretty sure that we can support with that by the grace of God. Yes. So we just see the guy here. Salamat po. Thank you so much. Yeah. So this is the guy who is getting blind. We're trying to see if he can go to see a specialist at least, but we hope God is gonna help in all this process. So thank you so much. Salamat po. Yes, salamat tabi. Yeah, they were telling us actually, can you wait and they can cook for us? Can you imagine if people like this, they're trying to tell you, wait, they're gonna cook for you food? Can you imagine that? That's it's something that is very hard to understand. How you have a family like these people here, like this guy who is getting blind, but we're trying to see if we can get medical attention, and I think God is gonna help. So, I really don't understand what he's saying.
He's asking where are you?
I'm from America.
America.
And the wife is here. She's smiling. She's telling us, can I give you food? So people who are struggling like this, they wanna give you some food. Can you imagine? There she's smiling. All right, po salamat. Salamat.
Salamat tabi kuya. Nagpunta ka mo uyan, dua ka mo nalit takan na mo.
Thank you.
Salamat tabi.
Thank you. Take a picture of that. She's really good. This is the lady who wanted us to get the food, and her husband is there who's struggling with the vision, and we're trying to see if he can get a specialist outside of Catanduanes. So unfortunately we need to go. We're not going to eat our food. Next time, balik pansig, balik. Tell them next time we're gonna.
Sarin tabi mo, balik ka mo.
Sa kuma. Mabalik lang kami. Ipaalam ko sila.
Yeah, they really love each other, and they had a typhoon 1 year seriously, and they have to evacuate to another place. But I'm glad that they are doing well. So please, we keep them in our prayers, and we hope that things will go well. Salamat. Salamat. We are now heading to Gig Moto. It's gonna be a ride that is very interesting. I've never been there before. All my trip in Catanduanes were limited to San Miguel and Virac, but now I'm heading to the north part. And again, Papa Dan is the one who is taking us. And the interesting thing is Papa Dan has a staff in the car already that is gonna give to some people as well, because he likes helping as well. So I like him with his heart. We're gonna go in Gig Moto. I've already connected with someone there who is a Kagawa, and then we will share food with the kids. And they have this lovely program that we're gonna have the time to see what they do for the kids and how they share the food, or they give them what they call the feeding program. So we are here in a sick meal in Gig Moto, and we're meeting Kagawa, and she doesn't know that I'm the one who is coming, so we're gonna go surprise her. I don't know how she's gonna react, but I'm really excited and see. So I'm gonna go inside. It's red? Okay.
I will bring the car inside.
The car?
Oh yeah, I will.
Oh, okay. So the Kagawa, the inside here. So again, we are here in a sick meal. And the Kagawad is inside there. She doesn't know that I'm the one who is coming. But I'm very curious to see how she's gonna react. When she sees that I'm the one who is coming, she's inside there. She's the one you can see there. So they start parking. We're gonna have a fun with the kids, and I can't wait of what is gonna happen here because the kids are ready. We're gonna eat the food, and we're gonna donate some gift we brought because these people here were impacted terribly with the typhoon one. So we're here. Let me go inside. Hello, Po. Hi.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you. I'm the friend of.
Yeah. What's your good name?
Sisi.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. You spoke with my friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I usually.
She doesn't recognize me. Okay. Yeah.
Hello. Nice
So you spoke with my friend.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you video him? No. You speak. Okay.
Yeah.
How is
We had a conversation via messenger with
Oh.
video.
with video?
Yeah.
He's funny.
Yeah, he is.
What's his name again? Costa.
Yeah, of course.
Oh. How did you like him?
He's a good man. He's a good man. He's funny and
He's funny. Yeah, he's funny. Many people thinks the same. They think he's funny. Would you like to have him one day here?
of course.
Okay. You know C the meaning? It is Costa Clever.
So it's you. Oh my goodness.
So it's me. You see, he's funny.
You're just a kind.
So this is, I'm gonna submit, she accepted that I can work for her. So I will submit the application. Well, I'm so glad to see you. I wanted to surprise you. Yeah, so.
Yes, you surprised me.
Yeah. I wanted to surprise you. Yeah.
But the sad thing is that Auntie Claire is not around.
Yeah, we need to fire her. No job in a sick meal again. So, yeah, I'm so glad I'm here. I've been dreaming to come to Gig Moto.
You're finally here.
Now I'm here. Yeah.
So how's your experience?
It's very beautiful. Yeah, looks a little bit challenging with the weather. Looks like people, you know, there is no coconut, there is no banana. So how people are gonna live?
Just because of the typhoon.
Yeah. How they gonna live?
Maybe after 3 years, everything will be okay again.
If no typhoon again.
Anyway, a super typhoon comes every at least 6 years, 3 years, like that. Typhoon every year actually there's a typhoon, but not that very super.
Yeah. So those coconuts, there's some people who are living depending on coconut. So how they do now?
Well, they do something.
You taking the boss on the back. It's really bad. You need to take the boss in the front. Yeah, she's the boss. Yeah, I like moving. She's the one who organized.
Ate Weng.
Hi, Ed.
Kagawad here in
Oh, nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Yeah, I'm meeting 2 bosses, so that's really good. Yeah, that's really good. That's really good.
Ate
So,
Weng, ito palista niya. Nakapot.
I know you are busy always, but I need to understand this. So they're gonna get coconut after how many years to get them back?
I'm not 100% sure, but maybe 3 to 4 years.
More than 1 year?
Yeah, more than 1 year.
Wow. How about the banana?
The banana is at least, ang banana natin, mga 1 year, no? Katubo na yan, nakabulong na.
Yes, yes.
1 year.
1 year banana. And the people, how are they gonna live? No banana, no coconut. sea. Oh,
Yeah.
so the majority are fishermen.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow.
And
At least
most
the
of
sea is gonna help.
Most of the head of the family, they go to Manila to find a job, something like that.
Which is not easy.
Yeah, not
Yeah.
easy, of course,
Not
because
easy.
they have to rent for their,
Me, I'm glad I'm gonna get a job. I'm gonna submit application.
inasal.
Yeah, yes, at the airport, close to the airport. People come, they pass there. I give them chili pepper first, before anything. Then if they get hot, they will not eat much. So the kids,
Yeah.
we having, and at the Claire, they have something that they organize for kids.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
They called it Sikmilania's Good Samaritans.
Oh, so
That
they're
is
from
their
here?
organization. Yeah,
They're from
it's
here? Okay. I know many people here, but I don't remember their names. I know a couple of people here.
Really?
Yeah, I know. Like Myra's family, mom.
Turado?
Yeah. She lives somewhere here in Sikmil.
What is the family name?
Tiba.
Oh, yeah.
Ako na doon.
Yeah, Tiba. She sells. She has a small shop. Ellen.
Yeah, her mother.
Yeah.
Want to call her? You want to talk?
I will go there.
Okay.
I will go there.
We'll go there.
She's my friend.
Ellen?
Yeah. We.
Actually, let me... Sige, saan ko dito? Actually, ini po ate, talagang limited lang, no? Actually, they called us, na sabi nila, igoda sila ng ipa naong mga school supplies, but sabi nga nila, 20 lang. So, I suggest, sabi ko, baka pwede naman dagdagan, since marami yung bata dito, baka magkagulo-gulo lang. So, they make it 40, kaya naging 40 siya. Pinakihudon ko lang. So, yung daipo mo na maaabot ka ito, since in good faith lang naman inituwang ning sa tuyang friend, which is si Costa, Sisi, pagpasensyahan po ning dai po maaabot kay nino. So, dai lang po kita ning kululugan ning buot. Iyo po. At abako manining hari sa muya, hari po ini sa kilang kabutihang puso. Iyo po. So,
Well, I didn't understand what she says in Bicolano, but she's the one who organized everything. She's saying me, but she's very good person.
okay, so let's welcome Sisi Costa Clevo. Anyway, mamaya magpapasalamat kayo tayo sa kanya, no? Okay.
How about we eat first?
No, we have to first.
Okay.
Maybe I told them to bring their own plates, which they usually do
Oh, okay.
since then.
Okay.
So they bring their own plates.
Oh, that's really good. That's so smart. That's so smart. Wow. Look like this one everyone has their own plate. That's really smart.
Yeah.
So what are we gonna do now?
Oh, wait. Just ask for the table first.
Okay. Been thinking to come here for a while to visit these families, and they had this heavy typhoon called the One, and I connected with some people already who lives here, and they told me how the typhoon has caused a lot of damage. And as we're going, people here, they depend on farming and also on fishing. But as she say, the fishing is the only one that's is helping them to survive now. But because the coconut, mostly what they farm here, they involve the coconut and the banana. But because of the typhoon One, so there is no hope for farming now, unfortunately. But in any way, we are here to eat the food with the community, but also to share with them a little kindness in what we got. So the road coming here, it's not that long distance, but because of the road is zigzagging, and also there are a couple of landslide on the road, so that slows down a little bit. But I know people from Viga, they're gonna follow me here. I have a complaint. People from Viga. I spoke with someone, she's a teacher, like a head teacher. and I say we have a school supplies for the student. She says she's not available. After we spoke, she says she's not available for the kids. I don't think that is nice. Anyway, bless, 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 bless. Come, bless, 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 bless. Superman. Who is bless? Who? Everyone, come, bless, bless. Bless, bro. Bless, 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 bless. Not yet. She's like, I'm still a baby. That's why I like people from Sick Meal. They give more to one. Look at all these guys here. Awesome. And they come here because of this here. There's little things here, that way they can capture their network like a Wi-Fi. But they're here, it's helped them to gather together and they're surfing, looking. He's gonna tell you my account. He knows. But this one here, I will put on YouTube.
Okay.
My YouTube is clever. Okay, wait. How many are you? How many are you? 10 people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. I miss this type of TV. Ano the sun? I miss it.
Sa ngayon, Jiggy, kasabay ng unti-unti pag-aliwalas ng panahon mula ng Manalasang Bagyong Ada, ay nanatili kasi maulap itong bulkan ngayon sa paligid niyan. Itong gaano nagpakita.
At one time, having a TV like this, it was amazing. It was, yeah, not everyone. So I'm gonna end my day here in San Miguel at this elementary school with these angels you see there. Very lovely kid, and I need to take the ferry very quick.